In this video, I'll show you some slightly more advanced options for making your PowerPoint presentations more attractive. We'll start with formatting pictures. If I have a picture in my PowerPoint presentation and I click on it to highlight it, just like in Word, Picture Tools Format tab, and I have all the same things that I had in Word, I can remove a background color in the picture by clicking on it. I can make corrections, altering the brightness and contrast of the picture if I want to. I can make changes to the way that the picture is colored if I want to. I can do certain artistic effects like making the picture black and white if I want to, grayscale. Most common tools in the Picture Tools Format tab are these preset picture styles, which I can mouse over and get a preview of what my picture would look like if I chose one of them. And I can choose one, and then I can go to Picture Border and alter the way that it's set up. So I could change the border from the default black to choose this orange to match the butterfly if I want to. I can also add picture effects by dropping down and adding shadows or reflections or a glow, for example, around the picture. Or I can add the rotation if I want to. All of the same options that I had in Word, I have in PowerPoint. I'll go over to this slide to show you some other options that we have. In addition to inserting a picture, just like in Word, we can also insert shapes. And draw it in. And I can use these pre-selected colors or I can go to more specific ones here. I can do all the same things in PowerPoint that I could do with Word. And then if I want to add text onto this little scroll, I can go to Insert and insert a text box on it. And so now I have text on a little scroll shape, just like I could do in Word. Also, like I could do in Word, I can insert word art and choose the theme of word art that I want to insert. And just like I could in Word, I can play with the different options here. I can choose a different color for the fill. I can choose a different color for the outline. And I can add different text effects. Another way you can make your presentations more attractive is by choosing perhaps a blank slide and going to Design, and you can choose to format your background. Here you can choose the color for your background, or you can choose to use your own picture for a background, either by going to select a file from your computer or by going online and searching for a picture. In either case, if you use a background picture, it's probably a good idea to increase the transparency considerably. I usually increase it to at least 50%, and sometimes even more than that, so that then when we go to insert text, it's not overwhelmed by the background image. The last thing that I will show you is how to add presenters' notes to your slides. Sometimes you've got a lot to say in your PowerPoint and you want to make sure that you don't forget anything, so you want to add notes to your slides that you can use to remind yourself of points that you want to make. In order to do that, you go down here to the status bar and you click on Notes. Once you click on that, it gives you a little bottom portion down here where you can click to add notes. And you can put your notes down there, and when you're reading your PowerPoint presentation, in display mode, if you have a second monitor, your notes will show up on the second monitor.